Hey, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in. Today we have the F3 Max by Aipas, and you can see it's in this bright neon green color, which I absolutely love. And it is a fully foldable e-bike. Now, if you do decide to buy the bike after this review, you can use code EASYHEIMER, which will save you 3% off your entire order. Now, this bike comes in at $899, which is really affordable for what it offers. And it's very lightweight at 85 pounds. So really easy to pick up and move around. Now, it is a really well-made bike with a super heavy-duty frame, which will support riders up to 500 pounds. So that's pretty incredible. Now, this bike will get up to speeds of 28 miles per hour. So it is pretty quick. Now, as far as the battery goes, the battery is housed in here. It is a 48 volt, 18 amp hour battery, and we'll show you how to get to that battery. You want to take your key, they give you a set of keys, and there is a keyhole down here. We're going to stick our key in there. We'll find it. It's on the side furthest from me, and we're going to turn the key, and you're going to see this little nipple pop in. All right, and that will allow the bike to release and be foldable. And as you see, the battery will start coming out. It does have a little handle on it, so you can pick it up. And then, of course, the handlebars will fold down as well. So it folds into a nice compact package for easy transportation and easy storage. Now, as far as that little nipple goes, you can actually turn it for when you're just folding it and storing it, and you don't want that battery to come out. This battery will not move now. So you see that little nipple pushed out a little bit, and now it is securely in there, so you can fold it, unfold it, without worrying about that battery coming out. So to fold it back up, push it together, this locks into place. There you go. Cool thing about a lot of these foldable e-bikes is the pedals do fold as well, so they're not sticking all the way out. Now, they say you should get up to 85 miles of range on a single charge. So obviously that being the lowest level of power, but pretty incredible range, which makes this bike a really good commuter. Especially with that bright green, you're gonna easily be seen on the road. I just love that color, it really pops. You get an 1800 watt motor on here, and it also gives you 110 Newton meters of torque. So this thing should be pretty peppy, pretty powerful. You get these nice fat 20 by 4 inch tires. This bike does come with fenders, but we decided to leave those off. I think it looks awesome without the fenders, but it does come with fenders, so keep that in mind. You get this pretty nice sturdy rack to carry anything you'd like. Probably put a bag on here, whatever it may be. You also get hydraulic disc brakes. So they say comfortably this bike will fit anyone from 4'7" all the way up to 6'5". And it is really adjustable. You can adjust the seat to where you like it, and you can also adjust the handlebars in the front to go up or down, depending on what's comfortable for you. Now, this bike does come with full suspension, so you get one right in the middle, and also a fully adjustable fork in the front. You also get 7 physical gears with a 7-speed Shimano and a pretty large crankset, and we'll see how all this converts to the pedaling experience while we're out riding. Now, in the front, you get your 20 by 4 inch fat tire, your hydraulic disc brakes, your very bright LED front headlight with 4 LEDs there. This thing is super bright. Now, in the rear, you get a brake, tail light, and functioning turn signals. All right, so sitting on the bike is very comfortable. The seat is pretty comfy. We'll see how that is while we're out riding. We'll go over the handlebars, starting from the left, moving all the way over to the right. You got your left brake lever, your left grip. These are not locking grips, but they're on there pretty well. They're not moving. We'll turn on the bike by holding down the power button. There you go. You get a nice LCD screen. There is your headlight button, so you can turn your headlight on and off, which is nice. Here are your turn signal controls. There is no indicator on the screen that your turn signal is on. Would love to see that, but not a deal breaker. There's your horn, and that is pretty loud. Now, moving over to your screen, you get your power bar here, your speedometer right in the middle here in miles per hour, your pedal assist level, and go all the way up to 5 and all the way down to 0. Get your tripometer, and I believe you can change that by clicking maybe the information button. Yep, so you can go from tripometer to odometer to max speed, average speed, a voltmeter, which is awesome. This is probably different trips, I'm guessing. I'm not really sure what this is. This might be amps. I don't know. So if you know what this is, let us know in the comment section. And back to tripometer. Moving over to the right-hand side, you have your Shimano shift levers, your right brake lever, along with your half twist throttle. And again, the handlebars do adjust, so you can move them up or down depending on what's comfortable for you. And lock that back into place. So really simple controls. So there are the specs and features of the Aipas F3 Max. If you have any questions about what we went over, please leave them in the comment section below. We get back to everybody. All right, so let's get this thing out and see how it performs. All right, so on the Aipas F3 Max, right off the bat, pretty comfortable. The riding position is pretty ideal. The seat is pretty comfy as well, but we'll see how that is along the way. All right, we'll do a brake test here at the storm drain. All right, well, that was pretty good. So some good hydraulic disc brakes on here, which is really nice to see, especially at that price tag of $8.99. We're gonna do a top speed test here. They say we should get up to 28 miles per hour. We're gonna try throttle only first. All right, so we got 32.1 miles per hour, so even higher than what they advertise. So really nice to see, especially with us being 260 pounds. That is pretty nice. That's pretty quick for a foldable e-bike. Now, as far as the throttle goes, it's got like a half-second delay, which isn't bad at all. You do have turn signals on here, but again, they do not indicate that they are on the screen. Would love to see that in future versions of this bike. See how pedaling is. All right, so you are getting a cadence sensor on here, which means when you pedal, depending on what pedal assist level you're in, you're gonna get 100% of that power. So you can even just ghost pedal and it's going to give you 100% power. So we are getting 30.7 miles per hour pedal assist. Really nice to see. We've had a couple Aipas bikes on the channel and they do make a really good product. And their bikes are more on the affordable side, which is even better. So you're not breaking the bank when you purchase one of their bikes. Now the suspension is actually really nice. Doing a very nice job over these bumps, cracks in the road. And you also get those fat 20 by 4-inch tires as well, which do help. Now it feels really nice for a foldable e-bike. These foldables just keep getting better and they're ideal for limited space as far as storage goes, or even in your vehicle when you transport it. And they are pretty light bikes as well. So we're gonna go on a off-road trail for a second and see how it does. I don't think we're gonna have any problems. Now, we're not hearing any rattling, any creaking, any shaking, which is really nice. It means everything's nice and tight. And these foldable bikes aren't really made for like sole off-roading, but this one is doing a really good job with our trails. So handling all the rocks and bumps very nicely. It gets pretty rocky over here, especially with the recent rain. Kind of washed away a lot of the soil, so there's a lot of rocks on our trails lately. It's good for testing though. But we're not bottoming out the suspension, which is nice. And it is fully adjustable with those dials. Yeah, that is very nice. All right. Yeah, absolutely loving this bike. It's crazy what they give you for just $8.99. No issues with that large hill. And with the 85 miles of range on a single charge that they say you can possibly get, this will be a great commuter to get to work, around town, or even if you just want to use it to go on some trails and stuff. We saw that's possible without any issues. Yeah, that was really nice. Again, very easy to maneuver, definitely flickable. And it's a very quiet bike. I think the only thing that we're hearing is those chunky tires on the pavement. Other than that, you can't really hear the motor. That is a nice loud horn, which we love to see. As far as pedaling goes, there is a little bit more of a delay than with the throttle, but it's not a deal breaker. Nothing crazy. You can expect delays with pedaling and stuff. And honestly, I think it's a good thing because if you accidentally hit that pedal, you have room for correction. Now, I'm not really sure how I'm liking the display because it looks like it's a little hard to read when you're in a certain glare. So maybe something that handles glare and sunlight a little bit better. Maybe with like a light background instead of the dark on the LCD display. But it's not terrible. All right, so here is a hill climb test with the Aipas F3 Max. This is a very large hill. We're going to see how it does in pedal assist level 5, throttle only. Here we go. All right, doing very good right off the bat. We're at about 13.5 miles per hour. 14. Back down to 12. A little under 12. We're still making it. Around 11 up the steepest part. So not bad at all, especially for being someone that's 260 pounds. I think that's pretty good. So if you weigh a normal weight, unlike myself, you should have no problems getting up hills. And I didn't have any problem there, and that's a really large hill. So as far as the Aipas F3 Max goes, I think it's a fantastic value at $8.99. Really nice features. Love that green color, but there are other colors you can choose from. You don't like the green. If you guys have any questions about this bike, please leave them in the comment section below. We get back to everybody, and we can save you 3% on your entire order by using code EASYHEIMER. It helps out the channel, and we really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace out.